Okay, in this problem, how many ways can 3 boys and 4 girls be picked randomly from a group of 7 boys and 8 girls? Choice of each combination matters. Now, we have to think of this as the number of possibilities of boys times the number of possibilities of girls. It's a multiplication rule. And then number of possibilities of boys and number of possibilities of girls is a combination. So it's a little bit tricky. How do I know this? Well, I've worked this type of problem before. So once you see the pattern on it, then you know how they go. So for boys, we got out of 7 boys, pick 3. So equals combin out of 7, pick 3. And then I'll do a times. We're going to multiply times the possibility of girls. There's 8 girls, and we're picking 4. So out of 8, pick 4. So equals combin 8, pick 4. And then press enter, and that'll be your answer.